Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me? So clearly I don't know when to stop. So here I got some frozen ripe plantains, and I'm just gonna throw them in the fire and see what happens. All right, maybe I should use some protection. Okay, I don't have anything at hand right now. Ha! So throw them into the fire I shall. Here we go. Okay, we can see that it's not going so well already, but just think French fries. Oh, okay. All right, let's see what's gonna happen, right? So besides burning them up, let's see. Yeah, kind of stepped away for a bit. Oh. Yeah. And them look alright. Besides the fact that I was burning them up because I went to sort out something else. Yeah. Maybe we want to say what we want to them. And I had the fire really high also. So let's see. It's not sputtering so much, so I'm not gonna cover it at this point. I'll update you again. So here they are. Besides being burnt, they pretty much were defrosted by the heat, of course. I don't know if they soaked up more oil for having been thrown into the pot frozen or not. I don't know. But they seem okay. They're ripe plantains. Now you can see how thick they are, and it was very deliberate, because when ripe plantain is frozen and then defrosted and you attempt to cut it too thin, it's very difficult to cut in the first instant, and secondly, it tends to be I don't know, the texture is probably softer, and so it's more prone to sticking in the pot even if the fire is really hot, because, you know, for whatever reason. And so that's why I was very deliberate in cutting them this size. The last time what I had done was to cut them in half, just like the green plantains, and then when I wanted to use ripe plantains, I'd have to take them out, defrost them, and then cut them up. Trying to cut them up had been a challenge at that time, and that's why I had decided to do them like this instead. So you can see here, these are ripe plantains, and I cut them to the size that I wanted. Yes, all hand cut. And these are the green ones. I made them a little bit bigger, you know, whether I wanted to make porridge or I wanted to fry them, then press them. They were already cut to the size that I would normally use. And I actually made these a little bit bigger as well, for the same reason, you know, and as part of the experiment. So there you have it. My frozen ripe plantains. I fried them without defrosting them. How do they taste? Well, you know, I'm going to have to show you that in a moment. So let me get this one. It's very burn up one. Don't worry, I'm sure it's going to taste great. So the moment you are all waiting for. Yeah, with my ripe plantains. Let's get into it. Ready? So of course, no, it didn't come out crunchy like fried potato. You know, when you're making French fries from frozen potatoes and they normally come out crispy. No, this didn't do that at all. And in fact, I would be tempted to say the middle feels uncooked. It feels uncooked based on the texture. And I guess that's not too surprising, but I mean, it's ripe plantain, so it's fine. I'm not sure how much I like it like this, but I will try next time to defrost it and then fry them. You know, defrost them, remove the excess moisture, and then defrost them. Actually, the outside part is a little crispy. It has a bit of a crunch, but it's exceptionally oily. Well, thanks for checking this out. You know, experiments are coming on. I don't want to be doing anymore, but they're naturally happening, so it's okay. Bye for now from Stacy. Personally speaking.
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.